Would you like to wake up in the morning and be greeted by this kind of view? Grabe, ang peaceful, tahimik, sobrang relaxing, parang ayaw mo nang umalis. Honestly, what more could you ask for? Tara, come with us to Sundowners Villas in Bolinao and experience the Santorini of the North. Medyo mahaba ang biyahe, 5 to 6 hours by private car, pero super worth it naman once you see the view. By the way, quick note lang, medyo matarik yung stairs. They are not the senior friendly, but they offer wheelchairs upon request, and the best part, they can assist seniors going up and down the stairs to your villa. So kahit may kasama kayong lolo and lola, hindi din siya hassle. Just coordinate ahead of time. O diba, ganyan siya katarik. Forgot your swimsuit? No problem, madami silang tinitinda dito. May swimwear, floaters, rash guards, and even souvenirs. Villa tour naman tayo. Welcome to our loft villa. Napaka-spacious niya, open layout with a high ceiling and lots of natural light, minimalist, cozy, perfect sa families or barkada. Ang galing, may built-in sofa bed na pwedeng tulugan ng dalawa. Yung isa medyo mataas, kailangan mo akyatin. May dining table na good for 4, bar with 4 high chairs, and comfort room. Quick look sa bathroom. Malinis, spacious. Ang maganda dito, shower is separate from the toilet bowl. Very convenient lalo na pag group or family trip kayo. Let's go to kitchen naman. Alam nyo ba na cooking is allowed, guys? Fully equipped kitchen tayo dito. May ref, stove, microwave, plates, utensils, lahat ng kailangan mo andito na. Pwedeng magluto ng sarili mong meals. At ang kinagandahan, walang charge. Yung master's bedroom nila nasa basement. Tara, baba naman tayo doon. Pagpasok, may sofa bed ulit. Grabe guys, ang laki, ang luwag, ang lakas maka-vacation mode dito. Meron ding own bathroom, hot and cold shower, towels, and complete toiletries. And now, let's head upstairs to check out the loft area. Wow, ang laki, grabe. It can comfortably sleep 5 people. Alam nyo guys, what I love most about the loft is the balcony. Grabe ang view dito, ang ganda-ganda talaga. Perfect spot to chill, especially in the morning or during sunset. This is the terrace naman paglabas mo ng dining area. Grabe, same sa balcony, this area is giving. Ikaw na ang malilito kung saan mo gustong mag-chill and magmuni-muni. Super happy na isama ko ang parents ko dito. Moments like this are really priceless. If you're planning to visit soon, you can book this place on Klook. Rates vary depending on the number of packs, season, and room type. We stayed at Loft Villa and it cost us 8,838 pesos. Klook discount is not yet included. Good for 6 packs na yon with 1 kid. We use my code para maka-discount. And syempre, use my code din, IreneLB Klook, to get up to 5% discount on your booking. That's it for our Sundowners mini vlog. This is your Tita Mami Irene who travels with Daddy Don, kids, and sometimes buong family. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!